Magkano ba ang pag-ibig? Ano po ang mga shoot niyo po ng mga eksena sa araw na 'to?
Ah, yung pinagagalitan ko yung mga in-laws ko, yung daughter-in-laws, kasi nag-away sila dyan, ganun. Minsan. Pero ang pakap na ako eh.
Mhm. How would you describe a taping day po sa set ng Magkano ba ang pag-ibig?
Tiring, very tiring, inspiring but tiring. And kasi wala na masyado eh.
Mhm.
It's the trip. It's not the work, it's the trip that we don't like kasi it's so far.
Mhm.
But you know, when you give a good performance, parang sulit din yun.
What inspires you po? Na-mention niyo po na inspiring siya. What inspires you to play the role of Doña Hilaria?
Because it's very important role. It is a role that comes only bihira na is in the script. And,
Would you like to tell us a little something about that? Does that happen often? Yung mga ganong kaguluhan po.
exact, yung mga moments na ganyan. Oo, palagi. Palagi.
How would you describe your daughter-in-laws po dito? Sina Katrina?
They have all different characters. All of them have their own moments. Yung tatlo. Maganda. Maganda. Some of them are not... but actually, the three of them are only here for my money. They all have different motives for being here.
Madako naman po tayo dun sa bida naman po natin na si Heart. How is it like to work with her po?
Ay, beautiful. She's such a professional. Maski may sakit.
And si Bobby naman po na anak niyo po dito sa...
I think this is a role of her life, his lifetime. His lifetime. Bahirang ganyang role.
Ma'am, curious lang po, nakita po namin kayo na ngayon, naabutan po namin kayo sa set. You look very fresh, very light lang po ang mood. How do you do this? Gayong ang mga sinushoot po ninyong mga scenes at eksena, mabibigat. Tsaka po dun sa mga eksenang yun, parang lagi po kayong galit.
Because, alam mo, the life of Doña Hilaria, she had 4 kids in her life, puro lalaki. 3 of them died. Different reasons and comfort. Isa lang natira si Bobby. Abnormal pa. So her life is Bobby. So anybody that hurts Bobby in a way, could be physical, could be moral or whatever, galit siya, ayaw niya ng galit. And she's very much aware that the 3 daughter-in-laws are here for ulterior motives. Aware siya nun. Actually, it is the love of a mother to her only son, who is an abnormal. Hindi normal ang kilos ni Bobby.
Bulk of our viewers po sa hapon, ang mga nanonood po nito ay mga mommies. Ano po, mga mothers din po, kagaya po ni Doña Hilaria do sa story. Ano po ang mahalagang lesson na mapupulot po nila sa character ninyo sa story na ito?
Kasi, I'm also a mother in real life. I have 3 children. Ako kasi, you know, not everybody who gives birth to a child can be called a mother. Not everybody. We call them breeders. We only breed children. But not everybody can be called a mother. Ako as a mother, I'll give my life to my children. Physically. I will. Kaya itong yung feeling ko kay Bobby as my only son, my only living son, who is not normal, I give everything to him. The love, the attention, everything. Even a companion to take care of him if I am gone. Kasi I'm no longer young. So anybody na kumontra kay Bobby o magkaroon ng motibo, siyempre nakagalit siya. Any mother will do that. Any mother. And she's very much aware that she's being ridiculed because of his state of mind. Kaya ang mga mothers, they can relate to Hilaria. They can relate. Plus the fact that Hilaria is also very business-minded. That's why she became that rich. Imagine what I own. That's my businesses. But the point of Hilaria's life is fun. That's the reason why she's alive. It's fun.
Okay, bilang isang ina naman po sa tunay na buhay, kung maiinkwentro niyo po ang characters ng mga daughters-in-law niyo dito na sina Ana, si Miss Ana, si Miss Alessandra, at saka po si Katrina, ano pong payo ang maiibigay niyo sa kanila? Not as Doña Hilaria po, but as a mother.
That there is more to life than money. It's more of honesty, dignity as a human being, and respect for your ex-husband. Kasi patay na ang asawa niya. Respect for your ex-husband. Yung puro na lang pera dahil may anak ko, maski wala akong anak, binabindura din ako. Money is not everything in life. Of course, I can say it's very important. All of us know that. But let us make money our slave. Do not make money your slave. Ang ano, yung ikaw ang slave ng pera. No. Ang perang gawin ng slave. Yun ang importante. Yung it's just been proven time and again that money can never buy everything. And money cannot bring complete fulfillment in one's heart. No, it cannot. I'm talking from my experience. If you have everything in life, everything that this world can offer, it cannot fulfill the ache or the void in your heart. It cannot. And I'm talking from experience.
We were also at the press conference po of this show, and we've heard na ang ganda po na sinabi niyo about pag-ibig. Ngayon ko lang po itatanong ko po ulit about love. Is it for sale, or do you think ang pag-ibig po ay mabibili ba?
No, I said something like everything has a price. Everything. But it is not necessarily money. That's what I mean. A price could be your health, could be your principle, could be death. Kasi pag sinasabi natin, lahat ng bagay na bibili, we always refer to money. There's so many ways of buying a thing, but everything can be sold. Everything, even love. But it's not necessary. Kasi palagi natin pera eh. We always appreciate it when it's being sold. We always appreciate it with money. No. It has been proven time and again that there's so many things that could be sold, but not by money.
Ganda po.
That's what I mean. See, we always associate when you use the word selling, we always appreciate it with money. We always associate it with money. Could be I can buy your principle. I can buy your health.
Sa tingin niyo po sa lagay ni Eloisa, ano po ang nabili ni Doña Hilaria sa kanya? Ang prinsipyo niya po ba o ang pag-ibig niya?
Sa una, prinsipyo. Then, she learned to fall in love with Bobby. Well, kasi in life, there's a big difference between pity and love. But don't underestimate pity. It's very dangerous. Sometimes we associate it with love, but actually it's pity. Sometimes we associate pity with love, pero actually it's just pity. Dangerous ang pity. Masakit dito. Hawa yung mga mahirap. Sometimes akala mo in love ka, pero wag ka nakawa ka lang. Thank you so much for trying to watch us every 3:30 to 4:30 in the afternoon, even if may mga ano dyan na wala sa bahay, pero hindi natutukan nila. Those are really the fans of Magkano Ba Ang Pag-ibig, and I hope when we come to the end of the show, marami kayong matututuhan bagay. First and foremost, the fact that not everything in this world is money. Children, to mothers, to daughter-in-laws, that there are more better things in life than money, such as principles, honesty, and the greatest thing is love.